Assalamu alaikum, dear student of KG class. I am teacher Misbah and I am going to teach you about vowels. A, E, I, O, U. We are the vowels. I am a red letter A. I am A. I make the sound A, A, A. A, A, cat. I am short vowel A. It's my turn. I am orange letter E. I make the sound A, A, A. A, A, red. I am short vowel E. I am yellow letter I. I make the sound E, E, E. E, E, fan. I'm short vowel I. I am green letter O. I make the sound O, O, O. O, O, dog. I'm short vowel O. Now finally it's my turn. I am blue letter U. I make the sound O, O, O. O, O, nut. I'm short vowel U. So, dear students, I hope you like this video and enjoyed a lot. And you must also learn these letters. And thank you.